Back under the bonnet, my wee tractor. That's the way to start now. This SG carburettor's not covered in paint, I'm pretty sure, so I've got my wire wheel here and my scrapers. I'll just scrape some of this loose paint off. Something to do. Nice day at the moment. See what happens. Yeah, try to get some of this overspray off at everything. Tom? Right, I've been going a bit of a wire wheel. Let's scrape some of the paint off this ball in the carburettor, this pot. And that, and the bowl there. That. I think that's what that thing is, but I'll clean some of the paint off that. As I said, I don't like doing it and leave it bare metal, but the bolt-on things I can do. I think it's going to rain, but it's spitting rain. When am I going to get a coffee? See what it does. It's a couple of years at that. I just want to get some of this red paint off everything. I do. Get the fuel pump lead up too. I'll not get it off until the components are off, but it's a start, isn't it? It's a start. Aye, it's too late though. Right, I've been scraping away at this inlet manifold and stuff, and new wire brush on the drill. I'm going to take this air filter off. This one will be going back on. I'll get a nicer looking one for it. This will allow me to get further into bits and pieces. I'll get a flat, a chrome one. I'll go in there. I'll take this off. Then I'll go and put the smaller wire brush on the drill. I've been using the wire brush on the drill. These nuts back on there then, eh? So, let's take this off. Right. Right, I'm just getting this 4 bolts having this air filter on. Just done the last one. I'll fix the paint. So yeah. That's it. Get this off us. We'll not be going back on. Yeah, you get right in there now. So I'll get a nicer filter to fit on there. So I will. Definitely. I should probably take this thing off and take it into the bench and do it. Still working on this carburettor. I'm just taking this extension piece off. It's quite homemade, so the bolts are all covered in paint, so just getting a wee bit of them at a time. You've got to do it with a spanner. Oh, come on, if I can bolt stick. Right there. Tell my fingers now that, aye, I'll get this off to get on the bench. I don't know if I'll reuse this. I probably will. I'll probably clean it up and just get a nicer filter to fit on there, rather than try to source an original one and have all that carry on. Right. Now what I'll do is I'll put the bolts back in there and I'll get a bag for all the carburettor for when I go in. Raining. Right, that'll do me with this wee tractor today. Just been scraping red paint off it. Put a bung in there so nothing goes into the intake. But I've got the bit in the shed that I took off of there, I'm going to go and do that now. So I have. Skipped a bit more off that alternator too. We're going to do this for a wee while. Down here is, this is the wheel that went away to get repaired. Let's see if there's got washers welded in it. And all the stud holes. I think that one there was the one that was, it was totally nicked. Had to weld out all the cracks. And the washers in there. Sand. Ah, right, that'll do me the day. That's plenty. So it is.